Hi, I'm Schott. I'm the program coordinator here for the Electromechanical Engineering Technician program. I spent 20 years in industry. I'm an industrial electrician by trade. After I'd left industry, I went back to school, got my teaching degree, and then came here to Fanshawe. I've always been involved in automation and robotics. It was something that I did as a controls engineer when I was in work as well. There's a lot of benefits. If you take a look at any of our industries, more and more things are becoming automated. People are often concerned that there's going to be less and less jobs. This program actually teaches them to be able to work with what's being automated. Elevators, heating control systems, lighting control systems. They need people that are capable of being able to program, maintain, and be able to create it. So as we automate more, there's going to be more demand for people that are able to do that. Students that we currently have going through the program right now, very well suited for going out into that industry. Career, it's opening up. There's even more and more demand. A lot of what industries are doing now is they're starting to specialize. Where you used to be an electrician, now they're looking for people that can do more than that. This gives them an opportunity because we give them the fundamentals of electrical. We give them the fundamentals of mechanical. So they're well suited to go into any sort of industry and deal with any of the automation, the human-machine interfaces, the touch screens, or the robotics. We have a first robotics team here at Fanshawe. Having them involved in that is amazing because what it does is it gives them a lot of hands-on skills and it teaches them some of the soft skills that industry is looking for. Teamwork, how do you be able to communicate effectively, problem-solving skills, critical thinking skills, being able to have resiliency because if you have a setback, how do you come back from that? The best advice that I think I could give them right now would be diligent and don't let little setbacks derail what you're trying to do. One of the best things that you can learn is how to bounce back from something that didn't work as well. It's only a mistake if you don't learn something from it. And some of the best learning happens when things don't go the way you thought they were going to.